Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add dotted lines Google Docs. Let's begin. So once you open up your Google Doc, you are going to look for a little spacing in which you want to add the dotted lines. So I'm going to use this little space here. Go to the top and then select Format, and then select the second option which says Paragraph Styles. Then go to the right and then select Borders and Shading. Now next to Position, you are going to select the one which has the line at the bottom, so the second option. And then you're going to choose the border width. I'm going to use 1.5 points. And then the border dash, you're going to select it, the drop-down option, and then go to the second option here where there are dots. And then you can also change the border color. I'm going to make it red. Then once you're done, simply go to the bottom and select Apply. And there you go. You have these dotted lines. Now, the second way to do this would be to go to the top here, then select Insert, and then go to Drawing and then select New. Afterwards, you're going to go to the top here, then select the drop-down option and make sure that you select Line. And then you're going to drag it across. Once you're done, go to the top here, and then you can change the line color to something like red. And then you can choose Line Dash, or you can choose Dots. So there it is, Dots. And then if you want to increase the size, go to the top here, then select Line Weight, and then you can simply increase the size. Once you're happy, select Save and Close. And there you go. You have dotted lines. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.